In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a privacy policy page to your Weebly website. A privacy policy is essential for building trust with your visitors and staying compliant with data protection regulations. Let's get started. Open your web browser and go to the official Weebly website. If you are not already signed in, click Sign In at the top right corner and enter your login credentials. Once logged in, you'll land on your dashboard, the central hub for managing your site. From the dashboard, click on Website, then select Edit Site to open the Weebly editor. This is where you can update and customize all aspects of your website. To create a new page for your privacy policy, look for the plus icon and click it. Select Add New Page and when prompted, type Privacy Policy as the page name. You may want to uncheck the option to add page to navigation since privacy policies are typically linked in the footer rather than the main menu. Now it's time to add content to your page. Click the plus icon again and choose Embed Code. This will give you a section where you can add formatted content from an external source. Next, you'll need your privacy policy text. A simple way to get this is by using a free privacy policy generator. Copy the code provided by the generator. Then paste it into the Embed Code section on your new Weebly page. You can also update any headlines or text formatting to match your website style, ensuring the page looks neat and professional. Finally, use the preview option to see how your privacy policy page appears to visitors. Double check that everything is displaying correctly and reads clearly. Once satisfied, click Publish to make your page live. And that's it. You now have a dedicated privacy policy page on your Weebly site, helping protect your business while keeping your visitors informed.